Well guys, just been doing a bit of work on the Kenwood TM-241A, and spent a couple nights ago working on this for about, I guess, Sunday evening, a couple hours working on this, and I finally managed to get it to power up properly. Finally, she wouldn't even power up or anything, but she's working there now. The only problem that I seem to have is with the microphone. So what seems to be working right on the mic, what's all this falling out? Oh yeah, it's the top buttons there. Anyway, so what's working? The call button, VFO, memory, PF, up and down, PDT is working fine. But the DTMF keypad, 1 through 9, well, basically that whole section there, don't work. And I was just looking at the board here, and at one point it looks like there might have been something spilled onto it or in it. And I just done a little checkup of the trace, and it was kind of dark here, that top trace. And I just done a check with the multimeter in continuity mode, and sure enough, there's no continuity between that resistor 223 and that resistor 1041. Trace there is actually open. So I got a little jumper wire here that I'm going to put in here and jump those two traces, or jump that trace, and see if I can't get the DTMF keypad working. So get that working, then I can actually enter frequencies and all that. So confirm that I got DC power going to this board, but is doing absolutely nothing other than these two, the up and down is working, and the top 4 here. Everything below that is dead in the water. So I'm going to jump that trace and see if we can't somehow get this working, maybe. Anyways, it's only going to be a quick video, I'm thinking, but you never know. Anyway, let's get this jumped and see what happens. Okay, so I got the wire soldered in. I just got it poked down there right the way. So basically it's being between this position and this position, because this trace right here is non-functioning. So I'm thinking it's enough to possibly maybe kill this part of the keyboard. I really don't know. But that trace there is definitely open. So I guess we're going to see what that does. Some other traces here that's not looking the hottest. I just wonder about that circle there, holding the board, center of your screen. But that one there definitely the worst one. So anyway, let's put her together here and see what happens. Okay, back again. I got the keypad working there now. The DTMF keypad working fine. So it wasn't working beforehand, and that was because of the trace that was bad on the board here. But now it works just fine. I went on 146.52 and done a quick test with each button here, and they're working fine. So yeah. Anyways, if you got one of these mics that the DTMF pad don't work, then take it apart, take a look at the traces on the board. Might have possibly got some liquid of some sort, might have got down into the microphone and damaged traces and corroded them. It's only small traces. Anyways, that's it. And well, I got to make a little correction on the video, because I thought like the Realistic HTX242 that you can actually put in frequencies a bunch in the keypad. That's not that's not what this mic does. This is solely DTMF. So basically, you press your PTT and you enter your DTMF sequence, depending on whatever it is you're trying to control, which is whatever. So that's DTMF only. Doesn't control frequency. The Realistic HTX242, well, it is DTMF as well as you can also change the frequency, manually enter the frequency with the keypad. But this ain't an HTX242. This is a Kenwood TM-241A. Anyway, I've just done a quick test on 146.52 with VO and TAD, and the radio is working fine. So on low, medium, and high. Anyways, that's it for the update on the Kenwood TM-241A. Anyway, folks, I'll chat to you later. This is Remix 63. We're out of here. Sound 3.